What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a terrible day for the stock market. There's blood out on the streets right now, but in these situations, it's a good idea to simply not look at your portfolio. The best day to buy stocks is when there is a sale, and today we're getting some great discounts on a lot of these high growth companies. It's important at the same time that we don't end up catching a falling knife, and although there's no way to time the market, the best thing you can do is to average down on your high conviction positions. These high conviction positions are basically companies that you really believe in and plan on holding for the next 5 to 10 years. Listen, we all knew a market correction was going to happen sooner or later, so this shouldn't come as a huge surprise. The stock market can't just keep on going up, and at some point there's going to be a correction. Now for this reason, I personally had set aside 15% of my portfolio as cash, so I've actually bought some more shares today. I notified my Patreons about these trades when I made them. So today I loaded up on more Pacific Biosciences shares at an average price of $33.80. I really do think that long read sequencing and optical mapping are the future when it comes to gene sequencing and structural variation detection. One of the main reasons why I decided to buy more shares of Pacific Biosciences is because of their recent earnings report, which shows that their business is recovering well from the COVID-19 shutdowns that had impacted their revenues in the first 3 quarters of 2020. When you couple this with the fact that SoftBank Group is investing $900 million in convertible senior notes at a share price of $43, it makes it an easy buy in my opinion. The median price target for Pacific Biosciences has also increased now to $48, which currently presents a 35.7% increase. So when I saw the share price close to $30, I simply had to scoop up some shares because red days are the best days to go shopping. It is also possible that the share price continues to fall, but if that happens, I might look to average down further. Next, I also picked up shares of Palantir. Palantir has had a few slightly negative catalysts that have little to do with its long-term growth prospects. The share lockup expiration and a slight miss on their earnings report was already sending Palantir stock down, so when you add in the overall market correction to this equation, you get an exaggerated selling off, which in my opinion presented a great buying opportunity. I like Palantir stock and I think that this company has a great future, which is why I'm glad I was able to buy some shares at this cheap price. In addition to PacBio and Palantir, I also bought some shares of Greenlane Renewables. This is a $10 plus company in my opinion, and if you've been following this channel for a while, then you'll know all about this company and know how bullish I am on this stock. At the end, I just want to say that it's times like these when your diamond hands will get tested. Investing in the stock market is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a long game, which is why you should always invest in companies that you have a high conviction in. That way, when the market drops, you don't panic sell, but you buy more instead and get a better average. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Keep those diamond hands held high and I'll see you in the next one.